Hi guys, this is Kate from PageFly Landing Page Builder. Today we're diving into how to create a captivating Shopify product page using PageFly. Stay with us, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to design product pages that not only look great, but convert visitors into loyal customers. There are two ways to create Shopify product page: create from template or from scratch. In this video, I will guide you how to create a Shopify product page from scratch. I will choose to create a page from scratch and select product page. I will change the page name to product page for easier recognition. First of all, we need to assign at least one product for this page. Choose the page assignment and select products you want to assign. Note that you can choose many products and their product pages will have the same design. Now, it's time to create an awesome product page. Firstly, let's begin by discovering how to add product details element. Let's go ahead to the Add Shopify element icon, choose product detail, then drag and drop it into the page editor. First, I will adjust the product media. You can show the media list here. Then change the media list position and media list size. Enable this one to show badge. I will only display the percentage by removing this information. I will quickly change the style of the badge. Great. Now add spacing between media and media list. Remove any unnecessary information. Select the Add to Cart button and enable full width. Adjust the product variant by changing the option values. Modify the price display and add some styling. Here's the result. The next section is Trust Badge. You can display trust badges, security features, or any other elements that enhance confidence in your brand using our content list element. Pagely content list element is designed to help you save time on styling similar items and building content boxes with pre-made variants so that you can spend time on other tasks. Additionally, you have the option to make use of our pre-made section dedicated to trust badges. Furthermore, we have the cross-sell section. Utilize the Shopify product list section to assist you in this step. I will provide a brief demonstration. First, add a heading to display the content of the product list. Navigate to add Shopify elements, then drag and drop the product list element. In General tab below Product Source, I will choose Custom Collection and select this one. Scroll down to set up other parameters. You have the option to select either a grid layout or a slideshow. I will opt for the slideshow layout to allow visitors to view more products in a carousel format. Don't forget to add some style for this section. And here's the result. All tasks have been completed. Don't forget to save your work and publish it. Then check the live view. Hide default product details. Finally, take a moment to look at the theme editor. In the theme editor, you will see the product detail twice, one from the theme and another from PageFly. You can hide one of them by clicking on the eye icon. And here we are. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials and contact us via live chat 24/7 if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching.